Hi guys, and welcome back. This time we are working on basic user input. Now, as you already watched in your other video, it kind of walked you through this one. So in order to read information in from the user, you're going to need some type of read prompt. In this case, read line will give us a string, and read int will give us an integer. I could do read float if we had a floating point number. So this is sort of the structure of this. So it might be helpful for you to kind of zip back and forth between these two different programs. So let's take a look at dinner plans. So what we are doing with this dinner plan program is you are going to get some input from the user and then give them output. You're going to ask the user for their name, and you're going to ask what time you should meet them for dinner. Then you're going to greet them, tell them when you're going to meet them, and this is kind of what it'll look like. So, what is your name? Zach. What time should we meet for dinner? 5. Hi, Zach. I will meet you at 5 o'clock. So, let's talk about the parts that this actually needs. So, obviously, we're going to need to declare a variable called name. And in order to get name, we're going to need to read line. And here is going to be our prompt. What is your name? And then whatever goes in that is going to give us our name. And then right after that, we're going to put a variable called time. This time we're going to read an int. And then what time should we meet for dinner? And then you'll put in something right there. Now at the end of this, you're going to want some type of print line statement, and you're going to use what you learned in variables to get this to work. So I will go ahead and leave you guys right here, but this should get you at least started with reading it in. Now, if you need to back up to the basic user input, you can see there is the variable name, read line. Now they did theirs a little bit different where they did input in between each prompt. In this one, you're not doing that. Okay, you're just uh, getting the information, and then you do a response all the way at the end. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I look forward to seeing your programs.